It was a hot summer day in the jungle. The sun blazed above, and the animals were tired and sweaty. Just then, Leo the lion roared from the hill. "Let's all meet at the pond." Elephant, monkey, deer, rabbit, even the slow tortoise hurried to the sparkling pond in the middle of the jungle. Splash! The elephant sprayed water with his trunk. The monkeys jumped from trees and landed with a splash. Deer dipped their hooves, and birds danced in the air, shaking off water like tiny fountains. Leo the king stepped in slowly, let out a big sigh, and said, "Ah,